this is Explain That, and this is a tutorial on how to get unbanned fast on TikTok. So let's get started. So first and foremost, of course, you won't be able to get onto your TikTok, so we get straight ahead on our browser. Let's search on TikTok's help center, just to be sure. Here we can go to report a problem or just the contact itself. But here we could go to the report a problem case and then search on banned or unbanned prompt. This will go to your TikTok's appealing services or appealing site, and this will give you a lot of forms. Proceed on, but you should just make on to the appeal one, the unbanned appeals. So just scroll down until you see the blue hyperlinks with saying forms for appealing TikTok's different types of bans and unlocking the account as well. As long as you provide detailed and constructive reasoning, TikTok will definitely give back to you your account and everything that has in it for your pleasures as well. So just fill it out exactly to whatever region do you have and whatever type of reason do you have, and most probably it will take some days, of course, for you to get it out again. But hey, it's legit, right? So yeah, this explained that, and that's how to get unbanned fast on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.